is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of November the 13th through the 19th, 2020. I do shop at Giant, but a lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's, we have the same deals, but not always, so make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. Sometimes we have something one week and you guys get it the next, or vice versa, so maybe just to give you some possible upcoming deal ideas for you. So let's go ahead and get into today's deals. The breakdown will be in the description box below. I got a lot to talk about. I'll try to talk as fast as I can without being too jumbly, but I am a fast talker in general anyway. So, yeah. Now, I just want to do a quick little thing. Some of these deals, I know you can probably see I'm talking with my hands. Some of these deals aren't like super amazing, free money makers. But they are products that I will use, so they're good deals. So I don't want you to think, you know, I'm trying to get you to spend a bunch of money. These are products you use, they're good deals. I'm just trying to stock up. I'm a huge baker, so I'm sure you're going to be seeing me stock up. I buy things in November, stock them up, and hopefully they last me until like next year. So enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get into the deals. First thing, try to look for your Savory magazine. I just quickly thumbed through it. I did find an International Delight coupon. That's my all-time favorite coffee creamer. So, and I saw a Tasty Cake and an egg coupon and something else. But it doesn't seem like it's loaded with coupons. I will post on my Instagram. I'll cut everything out and post it on my Instagram, and you can see what's exactly in this. You can follow me on Instagram if you want. My handle is down below. I think it's mama_made_couponer. Okay, so I did post this on my Instagram this morning. This is a freebie. You don't have to get the chocolate. There's also hummus, but if I'm going to pick chocolate or hummus, yeah, I'm going with the chocolate. So it's a Sabra, I guess is how you say it, Snackers. They are free with a load to card, so they're $2.29. That digital comes off just fine. You do have to load it. If you're not going, I think you need to load it by Saturday. Sometimes they disappear quickly, so definitely load that and use it the next time you're shopping. I also wanted to mention the Giant app has a whole bunch. You can redeem your choice rewards for special offers, I think is what it's called. There's a whole bunch of things you can get cheap. I was trying to hit my 400 points so I can get a free turkey. But I earned even more than that because I bought a gift card today, so I'm probably going to redeem some of those for next week. So if you need anything for your Thanksgiving meal, definitely check that out. It's some really great prices for point redemption. All right, the Luvs. I have somebody that wants these from me. I sell things on Marketplace, and I had someone, I sold one of these, and they're like, please let me know if you have any more of these. So I'm going to make some money on these this weekend. They're $6.99. I had a $3.50 off of 2 digital as well as a $2 off of 1 digital. And then Ibotta has a $1.50 back on both of them. I submitted for that twice and I got it back already. So it was a cost of $5.48 and I'll sell them for $10. So it'll be a quick little $3.50 moneymaker if I did my math right. $4.50 I mean. Okay, the Breakstones here. I would have purchased some more, but I already have a whole bunch of sour cream. This is good to the end of December. It's $1.67 on sale. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta. I think it's a limit of 5, so 67 cents for sour cream is pretty good. The potatoes, 5-pound bag. Make sure you're grabbing the correct pound because sometimes they have them. I think they have 3 pounds. Actually, are these 3 pounds? There goes the diapers. Yeah, they're 5 pounds. Just be careful because I've done that before. Make sure you're purchasing the 5-pound bag. And not the 3-pound, or your in-ad coupon will not work. So it's $1.77 with the in-ad coupon. You do have to spend $25. I think that's before coupons to use that. Sometimes it acts weird and doesn't work, but anyway. Now this, I had an issue with this. This is supposed to be 100% back. I did post this on my Instagram as well. 100% back on any Luvs organic pads, liners. I don't even know. Why, I don't know. Anyway, so this was $4.99. I was expecting to get back $4.99. Well, I didn't even recognize the product. So I corrected the receipt. I have a video on how to do that. I corrected the receipt and it still did not give me my points. So then I had to submit a ticket. So Fetch is pretty good about giving you your points back. So I better get my points back for that. 4,990 points. Anyway, I'm sure they will. They pretty much always do. The tissues, we just needed some of those. Those are $1 a piece. Not an amazing deal, but they are pretty good quality for generic brand tissues. Quaker, 2 for $4. There's $1.50 off of 2. Check out 51, making them $2.50 or $1.25 a piece. Someone I know wants those from me, so I'm just going to give them to them. What was I going to say about that? Oh, check out 51. I have an updated video on Saving Star going away, so I'll try to link that down below. But it's not going to surprise me if Checkout 51 doesn't soon transition or go away completely. We have been seeing some changes with them. Okay, so this is a really good deal, guys. I was really dumb. Wasted points on Kellogg's Family Rewards. They're supposed to be $1 off Pop-Tart coupons. Well, I was so dumb. I printed off, I redeemed points for $1 off Nutri-Grain coupons. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, you can redeem points and get back or get $1 off coupons. So I was dumb and printed the wrong thing and didn't realize it until it was beeping. And I'm like, what's going on? Anyway, I did, however, have $1 off of 3 printable coupon on the Kellogg's Family Reward website. I also got an email for $1 off of 2. That was in a Kellogg's email just like this week. Maybe this morning or yesterday morning. Anyway, so this is part of a deal. Everything here in Hungry Jack and Pop-Tarts are $2 a piece. You can spend 10, get back 200. I mean, buy 5, get back 200. Or buy 10, which would be $20, get back $5. So right there is going to be $15. It's not an instant savings. You will get the 500 points. You can turn that around into grocery dollars to be $5. So the Hungry Jack, there's a whole bunch of Hungry Jack apparently available on Ibotta. This is the only thing my store had. So unfortunately, I had to get the plain. These are fine, guys. Pancakes, you can add things to them and to change them up if you get tired of just plain old pancakes. This is a really good deal because this box of pancakes will make a ton of pancakes for you. Great thing to have in a stockpile, you know, super easy to make. 50 cents back. It's a limit of 5, so I got back $2.50 for all of these. Pop-Tarts, I was really dumb. Only had $1 off 3 coupons, so that was my mistake. I could have got this a lot cheaper if I'd have printed off the right coupon. So I paid $11.50 or $1.15 each. Not my plan, but I did want to share my mistake and give you guys an idea. Still not a bad price, definitely, especially to stock up. But the Pop-Tarts, my husband loves them. He asked for them, and he's the one who gives me the money for the couponing and stuff, so, you know, I'm just going to treat him and not really worry about spending too much out of pocket. I did want to mention that the Hungry Jack, there is an amazing deal on the syrup. My shelves were wiped clean. I think the deal, they are $2 a piece or something like that. And you get back 200 points when you buy 5. I can't remember. There's $1 rebate on Ibotta. It's super amazing. So I will have that breakdown in the description box below. I can't think of it. I was upset when I saw that it was gone. But anyway, Hungry Jack syrup, amazing deal. Hopefully you can find it in your store. Okay, so here's some baking things. There are cheaper things. A cheapest thing to do is to get 5 cans of pumpkin. From what I can tell, it's the cheapest item at like $1.19. I don't need any more pumpkin. I was going to, but I ended up finding that I had 2 more cans of it. So I do not need any more pumpkin this season. But it is buy 5, save $3 instantly. The baking chips are $1.79 and the flour was $1.59. These are just the products that I would use, so that's why I did this. But, you know, you can change it up and get different items. So I paid $5.55 or $1.11 a piece. I'm pleased with that. I bake all the time, all year long. So this is my stock up season. Stocking up on food makes me happy. Welch's fruit snacks. My kids love these. They are $2 a piece. There's $1 off 2 digital. I got back $1 off of 2 from Checkout 51. Making them $2 or $1 a piece. Not the cheapest deal that we see on fruit snacks, but something I always like to have stocked up on. This is not the best deal, but I needed some bacon for some upcoming recipes. So this was $3.99. You know, I really like paying $2.99 for bacon. That's my like stock up price, but I have not seen that in quite a while, so I had to go ahead and grab that. And then LA Savings does Stop and Shop, and I sometimes watch her videos, but sometimes I don't because she puts them up on Saturdays and I go on Fridays. But I did watch her current video from last week. If you are a Stop and Shop shopper, definitely check out her channel. She does more personalized deals for you guys. Anyway, so this was on sale this week for $1, and I do have 2 cards. Long story, but anyway, I have 2 of them, and this had a $1.50 load to card on one of my cards, and it works on this, so you get a little 50-cent money maker there. So anyway, that is everything I got. Like I said, nothing super amazing, like hot, go run and get it now, but I wanted to share with you guys, especially some of these stock up deals. The stuff might get a little crazy. I don't want to be like crazy on you, but it's a good idea to stock up on some things now in case things get a little crazy. You can have your household set up for a little while. All right, guys, that's it on this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.